Hi, kamusta? Welcome back to another study with Gail, and our topic for today is solving for z-test. Now, we'll kick things off with one sample z-test and its steps for solving. First step is stating the hypothesis and identifying its claim. Second is setting the level of significance and determining the critical value. Next is the given and calculation of the z-test. Then it's for the decision. And finally, stating the conclusion. Example for one sample z-test. A wipes manufacturer claims that an average pack of wipes contains more than 90 pieces. A random sample of 20 packs showed a mean of 93 with a standard deviation of 6. Test the claim at 0.01 level of significance. Hypothesis. Null hypothesis. Mu is equal to 90. Alternative hypothesis. Mu is greater than 90, which is considered a right-tailed test. Level of significance is equal to 0.01 with a critical value of 2.33. Given. Sample mean is equal to 93, mu is equal to 90, standard deviation is equal to 6, and the sample size of 20. For the calculation, z is equal to 93 minus 90 divided by 6 over the square root of 20. Thanks to the help of our trusty calculator, we are able to identify that z is equal to 2.24. The decision is to accept the null hypothesis because the computed value of z falls into the acceptance region. Conclusion. There is not enough evidence to support the claim that an average pack of wipes contains more than 90 pieces. Moving on to two sample z-tests and its steps for solving. It's almost the same process as the one sample. First, state the hypothesis and identify its claim. Next is set the level of significance and determine the critical value. Then, write the given and calculate the z-test. Next is for decision. And finally, the conclusion. Example for two sample z-tests. A businesswoman claims that her product will sell higher than her competitor's product for the week. The mean of her sales for 35 products is 88 with the standard deviation of 8. The mean of her competitor's sales for 33 products is 91 with the standard deviation of 6. At a 5% level of significance, can the businesswoman's claim be supported? Hypothesis. Null hypothesis. Sample mean 1 is equal to sample mean 2. Alternative hypothesis. Sample mean 1 is greater than sample mean 2, which is also a right-tailed test. Level of significance is equal to 0.05 with a critical value of 1.645. Given. Sample mean 1 is equal to 88. Sample mean 2 is equal to 91, standard deviation 1 squared is equal to 8, standard deviation 2 squared is equal to 6, sample size 1 is equal to 35, and sample size 2 is equal to 33. Given, sample mean 1 is equal to 88, sample mean 2 is equal to 91, standard deviation 1 squared is equal to 8, standard deviation 2 squared is equal to 6, sample size 1 is equal to 35, and sample size 2 is equal to 33. For the calculation, Z is equal to 88 minus 91 divided by the square root of 8 squared minus 6 squared over 35 minus 33. According to the calculation, Z is equal to negative 0.802. Decision is to accept the null hypothesis because the computed value of Z falls into the acceptance region. Conclusion: there is not enough evidence to support the claim that the businesswoman's product sold higher than her competitor's product for the week. And that concludes our discussion for today. Thanks for watching and make sure to stay healthy and take a break if you need it.